In previous video, we looked at lists, appending an item in a list and popping an element from a list. Link a previous video will be in the description. Do not forget to watch that video before starting this video. Let's slice our list. We will take our previous list and extract some portion of that list. First, add square brackets after the list name. Now let's extract values from 2 to 22. First, count the index of our starting value, which is 1. Then count the index value of the last value that we want to include in our output. In our case, it's 4. Let's see what we got here. Well, we did not get the last value here that we were hoping for. Let's understand the reason why it did not work. Here, our starting index worked fine, but problem occurs in the end index. In list slicing, we have to give index of the last value with an increment of 1. In our case, instead of 4 as our last index value, we have to give 5. Let's give 5 over here, see the result. You see, now we're getting our complete range of values. Let's find length of our list. To find length of list, we will use len function, give name of list, and execute it. You will see here, we will get count of values in our list. Our list has 6 values, so is the output. When we talk about indexing, we always start by counting from 0. But when we are counting elements in our index, we always start counting from 1.